Hey drivers and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the smartest, sleekest dash cams for your vehicle, the WOLFBOX G900 rear view mirror camera. This 4K mirror dash cam combo replaces your traditional mirror with a 12-inch smart touch screen packed with safety features, wide-angle coverage, and ultra-clear recording. Let's break it down. Right off the bat, the WOLFBOX G900 gives you dual-channel coverage, a 4K UHD front camera and a 2.5K rear camera, capturing every angle in stunning clarity. Whether it's daytime traffic or nighttime parking, you're covered with WDR wide dynamic range and enhanced night vision, meaning better visibility in low light and high contrast. Now the display, it's a full 12-inch smart IPS touchscreen mirror with intuitive swipe and tap controls. You can switch views, adjust brightness, zoom, and access all your footage in seconds. The UI is clean, responsive, and driver-friendly. This dashcam setup doubles as a rear-view mirror with real-time streaming from the rear camera. No more limited views from your traditional mirror. Whether you've got passengers, headrests, or tinted glass in the way, you'll always have a crystal clear look behind you. It comes with GPS tracking to log your route and speed, and the included 64GB MicroSD card means you're ready to roll out of the box, no extra purchases required. The G900 also includes loop recording to overwrite old footage, G-sensor collision detection to auto-lock important clips, and a built-in parking monitor that keeps an eye on your vehicle even when it's off. Hardwire kit recommended for 24/7 use. Installation is easy. It straps over your existing mirror and runs to your rear window using the included cable. Once set up, it's nearly invisible but always working. If you're looking for a clean, modern, and effective way to upgrade your car's safety and visibility, the WOLFBOX G900 is a premium all-in-one choice. Smash that like button if this helped you out, subscribe to Gadgetverse for more real-world tech reviews, and hit the bell to never miss a drop. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. This is Gadgetverse, where we test it, so you don't waste it.